Are raising interest rates making you feel like you missed your chance to buy or sell a home in Chicago? You're not alone. With the Federal Reserve hinting at more rate changes month to month, many buyers are feeling the pressure. Sellers are wondering if higher rates will dive down demand. But here's the truth. With the right strategy and still big opportunities for both sides in today's real estate market. Today, I'll break down what fluctuating interest rates really mean and how you can make smart moves, whether you're buying, selling, or just getting started in Chicago's real estate. Hello everyone, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker. I'm your local real estate expert here in Lakeview, Chicago, and I also help buyers and sellers in the Chicago area and the suburbs. I help home buyers, sellers, and investors understand the market so that they can make a confident, profitable decision even in uncertain times. If you're ready to explore your next move, visit my website at homesofchicagobyhugo.com, the best place to start searching for your dream home or to get more information about the Chicago market. Now, let's get started. What interest rate fluctuations mean in 2025? Let's talk about numbers. In 2025, mortgage rates in Chicago have been bouncing between 6.5 and 7.25. Depending on the month and on the Fed's announcements, that's the kind of swing that can add hundreds of dollars to your monthly mortgage or take them away if you lock in at the right time. But here's the deal. Timing is everything. Timing is everything. What buyers should do right now? Let me tell you. The first thing you have to do as a buyer, get yourself pre-approved right now. Not later, right now. This locks in today's rate before the next jump. Work with a lender who lets you float down your rate if the market improves. Focus on properties that may have been overlooked, giving you more leverage. Many Chicago buyers are winning deals by moving fast, while others are hesitating. Whether you're shopping in Avondale, Edgewater, or Berwyn, don't wait for the perfect rate. Rates may drive slightly, but so will inventory once that happens. What does this mean to sellers? What sellers should do right now? If you're selling, showcase energy efficiency upgrades like smart thermostats, newer HVAC, double pane windows. Buyers are very sensitive in the long-term costs with higher rates. Highlight monthly savings on utility bills on your listings. Consider offering closing cost credits or rate buy downs to attract more offers. Even in a higher rate market, update homes in areas like Lakeview, Lincoln Park, and Oak Park are still selling quickly because buyers see the long-term value. So whether you're buying or selling in today's interest rate environment, you don't have to figure this out alone. I'll walk you through every step, connecting you with the best lenders to crafting offers and pricing your home to sell in any market. I've helped dozens of clients in Chicago win deals by making smart, informative decisions at the right time. Give me a call, send me a text at 773-550-4846. Visit my website, homesofchicagobyhugo.com, to start searching for your home. If this video has found you very helpful, please like, comment, follow, share it. Share it with people that you know that they need to buy or sell in today's real estate market. Let's talk about the stress out of real estate and help you win in Chicago. Thank you.